Welcome back. Today, we're diving into one of the most shocking yet crucial developments in global finance. Could the BRICS nations, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, soon launch their own cryptocurrency? And what does this mean for the US dollar and your investments? What is BRICS and why it matters? BRICS represents over 40% of the world's population and nearly 25% of global GDP. Their recent moves toward de-dollarization and talks about a shared digital currency are alarming and fascinating. Blockchain or CBDC, what could it look like? Will it be a blockchain-based decentralized coin or a centralized digital currency like China's digital yuan? Experts suggest BRICS could use blockchain rails for faster cross-border settlements without relying on SWIFT or USD reserves. Impact on global markets and USD. A BRICS crypto could shake confidence in the US dollar as the global reserve. Countries trading oil, gas, and minerals in BRICS crypto instead of USD could lead to major currency shifts, gold demand surges, and crypto booms. Investment potential and strategy. Watch coins related to global finance, XRP, QNT, XLM. Keep an eye on gold, commodities, and BRICS-aligned assets. Hold Bitcoin for anti-inflation and hedge benefits. Use stablecoins wisely. Avoid overexposure to USD-based DeFi. Final thoughts. We're possibly witnessing a new global financial order. Whether you're a trader, investor, or enthusiast, understanding this trend is crucial. Drop your thoughts. Do you think BRICS can challenge the dollar with a crypto? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay ahead of the curve.